Hello everyone, I'm Afsari. I'm working for Practical Action Country Office Bangladesh, and we are working in the communities which are vulnerable to the flooding situations, and they are living in the chor areas. Chor means basically the islands in the middle of the river or the side of the river. These people are extremely poor, and these people are heavily dependent on the agriculture activities. This means that they need the weather information. Why do they need weather information? Because their traditional knowledge and expertise that is basically now hampering because of the change in climate. When they're expecting that this time the rain is going to happen, it is not happening. When they are thinking that it is not going to be heavy rain, that time they are getting actually heavy rains. So these are all actually making constraining their agricultural practices. Basically, these communities are located in a very remote areas, and what happens is our weather information, our weather forecast, basically which are available, that is mostly from national and district level. It doesn't reaches to the local communities or the local people. And based on that practical action, innovation is this weather board to provide that local weather information to the community people, and along with the advisories, so that they know that under this particular situation, under this particular weather condition, what kind of action they should take. Before the presence of practical action in those communities, they were saying that we don't get any formal early warning information and like a weather forecast. So they were saying that if we could knew that what would be the forecast for the next 5 days or 7 days, we could have done things differently. And women also said that as we don't know that when the flood is actually going to enter into the communities, we really cannot take any plans. So maybe we are sleeping and at night we suddenly see that there's a water actually inundated in our houses. The thing is, uh, Bangladesh is like one of the vulnerable countries who are at the front line of the climate change. Most of the people who are living in the rural areas, their economy is dependent heavily on the agricultural practice, and agricultural practice is heavily dependent on the weather on the weather conditions. So these are very much linked. So if this large number of people don't get the right information on the right time, it is sure that they cannot take the right decision. Now, with the change of the climate, they need to actually adjust with the situation, and to adjust with the situation, they really need information so that they can take the right decision.